Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best app for home remodeling. These powerful mobile applications simplify renovation work, from massive overhauls to redoing a single room. They provide tools for viewing designs, measuring spaces accurately, creating detailed layouts, and estimating costs. We will explore how these apps bridge the gap between your vision and execution, making your home improvement journey smoother and more professional. When choosing a remodeling app, focus on key features. Three-dimensional visualization and augmented reality allow you to virtually place furniture and see designs in your actual space. Robust budgeting tools help track expenses and compare quotes, preventing cost overruns. Look for contractor management and collaboration features to streamline communication. Finally, a vast library of design inspirations and materials is crucial for informed decisions. Several apps stand out for home remodeling. Whose is excellent for inspiration, offering millions of photos and a professional network. Magicplan excels at creating accurate floor plans using augmented reality and estimating costs. HomeZada is ideal for comprehensive budget and project management, especially for multiple renovations. For intuitive two-dimensional and three-dimensional design, Planner 5D provides great visualization and virtual walkthroughs. To choose the best app, first assess your project's specific needs, whether it's detailed floor plans, budget tracking, or design inspiration. Consider the app's ease of use and how quickly you can learn its functions. Always check for compatibility with your device, be it iOS or Android. Remember, many apps offer free trials or basic versions, providing an excellent opportunity to test them before making a commitment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.